Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to simply add a new user in your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and then make sure you look for users and accounts. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on multiple user. So simply click on that and it's going to take you right here. What you need to do next is to simply click on allow multiple users. So click on that. It's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on add user. So right here, when you add a new user, that person needs to set up their space. Any user can update apps for all other users. Next thing you need to do here is to simply click on next and enter the new user contact detail and assign some of the things they can have access to on your phone. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to add multiple user or how to add a new user into your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.